Hi, check out these beautiful succulent designs in wooden boxes. Here's a smaller rectangular box, and you see it's filled with assorted succulents, such as Echeveria harmsii and these blooming spring cactus. In the center, you'll see a pretty Sansevieria. That's really a hardy succulent that's great for indoors. The next one is a larger rectangular box, and it's filled with colorful succulents as well. In the center is a beautiful and hardy, slow-growing Haworthia or zebra plant, and they have pretty white flowers. And the last box here is a fun design with 4 moon cactus, and you see mainly red, pink, and orange moon cactus. Now the top is called the Gymnocalicium, and they have pretty pink flowers, and they tend to come out in the spring and summer. So I love the pretty coral sea top dressing. It really enhances the cactus arrangement and makes it look like it's almost in the desert. Now you would want to water these about once a week if it's kept outdoors, and they need bright filter light. If it's indoors, it's recommended to put it near a bright, well-ventilated window and water about once or twice a month. These are beautiful designs that are versatile, especially if you need to decorate a windowsill or outdoor patio. Thanks for watching.